Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to turn on automatically correct spelling in Grammarly. So firstly download install this Grammarly extension, and after that click on this G icon, and here guys you will see some options. Once you log in your account with Grammarly, if you don't have your account, so create freely your account with Grammarly using your Gmail and password. And after that, here are some settings. You can turn on correct spelling automatically. So just turn on this setting. Read, you can turn on and turn off easily. So thanks for watching guys. This is the basic and simple video to learn online things. Just click on this G icon and turn on this setting. Thanks for watching.